Hey everyone, my name's Cass, and today I want to talk to you about the new USMCA free trade agreement between the United States, Canada, and Mexico. This agreement is set to replace the current North American Free Trade Agreement, also known as NAFTA. So you might be wondering, what are the major changes? Or maybe, how will the USMCA affect immigration or work visas to Canada or the United States? The United States recently created a new agreement to replace the current North American Free Trade Agreement. NAFTA has affected the immigration policies between Canada, the United States, and Mexico. All three countries have been said to be celebrating this deal that calls for equality in trade for each country. Here are the major differences between NAFTA and the USMCA. Tighter country of origin rules for manufacturing, which means that industries like the auto industry need to source more of their parts within North America. Minimum level of input from factories paying workers $16 US an hour, which means that more production must be done by workers earning higher average wages. Improved access to the Canadian dairy industry, which means that more US dairy products will be able to be sold to Canadian consumers. And last but not least, additional restrictions and rule tightening on investment and trade in areas like intellectual property protection, but relaxation in other areas and things like agriculture and technology. So how will the USMCA affect immigration to the United States or Canada? It doesn't look like the new USMCA trade deal will affect anything to do with the TN visas. TN visas were created under NAFTA to allow Canadians and Mexicans to work in the US with a US work visa. This application process is the fastest way to get a US work visa. So when will the USMCA be in effect? The USMCA is expected to be approved within the early months of 2019. In the meantime, debates in Canada, the United States, and Mexico will play out over the next couple of months on whether these revisions are wins or losses, and whether this new agreement is a real improvement on what came before. Since there are still several months before this agreement is set into place, there still could be changes to the immigration policy. So stay up to date by subscribing to our Immigration Tube channel for further updates on the USMCA.